You might have a penny that's worth thousands of dollars and you don't even know it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be looking out for on your penny to see if it's worth a lot of money. Without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into this video. So up first, we have this 1 cent coin. Now this one is graded by PCGS, a proof 67. Now it's important to know the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. This one's only a few points away from that perfect grade of 70. Also, this is a proof coin. Now, how do you know if you have a proof coin? Proof coins will have a mirror backdrop to the coin. You will almost be able to see reflection in the coin, and the foreground of the coin where you see Link in there is going to have a more matte appearance to it. That is not the reason why this coin sold for $6,900, but the biggest reason why is because these coins are missing an S mint mark. That's right, so these proof coins from 1990 are minted at the San Francisco Mint, and underneath the date there, typically these coins will have an S mint mark. If your proof 1990 penny is missing an S mint mark, you have something worth a lot of money. Make sure you do not get scammed and ripped off. Find someone trustworthy. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a 1990 penny. Same thing here, but this coin sold for $8,050, and if you haven't heard before, I always preach this on my channel, but if you find a coin like this, make sure you keep it very safe. Do not get it damaged, because each grade difference will mean the difference of a lot of money. Same exact thing here, but it just graded a little bit higher at the 68 grade, and that's why it sold for $8,050. If you didn't believe me what I just said, here is a 1990 no S 1 cent coin graded at a PCGS proof 69. So again, one more grade higher than that previous coin, and it shows because it sold for $19,550. Not going to spend too much time on this last coin, but essentially the same thing here. It just sold at a little bit of a different time during the market. Same grade, same no S mint mark coin, and it sold for $19,975. Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out with YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.